a bit of a special day. Today it's been exactly a year since the death of my grandfather. Later, or in about half an hour, I'm going out to the ocean where he was put to rest. And he really meant a great deal to me, so I figured it'd be the right thing to do. And also I'm gonna be joined by my mother and my grandma. And then I just gotta do some packing later. And alright, so this here is where my grandfather was put to rest, 200 meters out. It's actually private property, but we've been given, my family has been given permission to go out here whenever we want, basically. So my mom and my grandma should be here in like 5 minutes. Alright, I just finished packing, so I am almost ready for the Philippines. I'm gonna have to pay for overweight though, because Ryanair suck and they only allow 20 kilos. And I have 24 kilos in my bag. Yeah, that sucks, but that's the way it is. And I have accepted. Alright, so I'm gonna meet my oldest friend in a couple hours for dinner, so we can say goodbye. And yeah, we're just gonna chill all night. What's up? Skal vi have noget?
Yes.
Man, that was so good to see my friend again. Okay, I'll end the vlog here, so I'll see you guys for a travel day tomorrow.